So this is what I use for cloud sharing. I use OneDrive. It's just easier for me to use OneDrive since I have a Microsoft computer and it comes with all this stuff on it. And right here you can see my different folders for attachments, documents, music, and pictures. And inside of the documents folder, there's a bunch of little folders for each and every class. And I created my folder for my EDCI 270 class. And if you ever need to create a new folder, you go up to this button right here. And you can see it's easy. You just press that button, you can create a new folder. Inside the EDCI 270 folder, you can create separate folders, and this is my folder for Indiana State History, which you can see I already put my blog post number 1 in there. That's in there, and there's also, if you don't want to go to documents, you can go to pictures, and you can see I also have an Indiana State History folder for pictures with the picture I used for my blog. If you want to save another document to your OneDrive, you just go to Microsoft Word, type in what you want to type in, File, and then go to Save As, and you can see this little OneDrive thing right here you just click on, and that'll take you to your OneDrive. You go into Documents, and then you find the class that you want to save the document to, which is EDCI 270, and then I want to save this to the Indiana State History folder. So I'll get in there and save that in there just like that, and it's done. And if you want to share a folder, go to your OneDrive, Documents, and say I want to share the EDCI 270 folder. Click on that, and then right click, and then there's a Share OneDrive link, and it pops up in the bottom right corner. It might be hard to see, but it says your link is ready to paste. So I'll just paste that link to anyone, and whoever gets it can look at that folder. And that is how I have my OneDrive account set up.